Anytime the grass is extremely green, I have to stop, especially living in Vegas for 3 years. We've got to see these beautiful pronghorns the whole drive. We're just stopping at this park to enjoy this beautiful stream, and it feels so nice out. It's cold. Point at the bowl. No, over. Yep, back. Oh my god, never mind.
Yeah, baby.
There's the sun going down. There's the moon coming up right there. They're looking at each other.
2, 3, 4.
Gonna take a ride, the good kind of ride, the wanna get lost in space kind of ride. The sun and the moon and the evening tide will disappear below. I got a guide, a good tour guide, the best in the galaxy, bona fide. He's gonna introduce me to alien life, I ain't never coming home.
This is the Flaming Gorge Dam. And it's so nice to see clouds in the sky. Dead bees, the dead bugs. And final destination. Thought I should document the first rain of the trip. It's been like 6 days in of no rain. And now we're near the border of Colorado.
I had a dream, the good kind of dream, the never ever wanna wake up kind of dream. My home planet, or so it seemed, was healthy and pristine. I woke up with my baby near, looked around and I shed a tear. My home planet.
Probably be our most random stop on the trip.
Dinosaurs also lived in this lush landscape, including a species of water.
So these are actual fossils of dinosaurs, this whole wall, and they just built the building around it. And these have been here, he said, for like 180 million years. It has not been touched. Dinosaurs used to roam all around here.
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light.
Hi.
Buddy.
Hi, baby.
Bye.
Oh, we're scaring them.
They look so wholesome.
Now I'm okay if you're alright.
We are at the Colorado National Monument, right outside of Grand Junction.
I came,
It's very beautiful.
I dreamed of things you said to me. We stand at your place while it rains. We talk and we laugh and watch TV. And I couldn't think of what to say. And all that I can do is stop and think about the day when all we used to dream about was meeting at the school. And we would go on home and start right back again. I think I like when it rains. Call up some friends, we'll have some fun. Oh Lord, I wish things were the same nowadays. We'll go back to your place when we're done.
Alrighty, we are in the San Juan mountain range. If you look over there, you can see the snow on top of the mountains. It's so beautiful. We are headed to Telluride.
We're headed to Telluride, tell a friend.
You think resistance makes you seem
so strong. You keep your distance, then wonder why we don't get along. I gotta tell you, there's a better way.
For the record, I've been screaming this entire time.
Look right here. They go in their little pods and their little cowboy hats.
Just gotta say, sometimes your meekness isn't a weakness. Sometimes a whisper says it all. It's hard to get close when you won't show emotion. It takes a whole lot of trust to fall. So you've got to be vulnerable. You try so hard to stay against the wall. I think part of your heart's due for an overhaul. I gotta tell you, you're gonna have to open up. There's no such thing as close enough. Sometimes your meekness isn't a weakness. Sometimes a whisper says it all. It's hard to get close when you won't show emotion. It takes a whole lot of trust to fall. So you've got to be vulnerable.
We can take a look at that.
Staying at this Victorian inn from 1898. Nicest people. He gave me a book of his poetry. I recommend this place. It was so amazing, so fun, and a traveler's dream. This town, I'm the only one out here aside from Abner. Holy, where's everybody?
Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest, laughing back and forth at what the other has to say. Reminiscing this and that and having such a good time. Oodle-lolly, golly, what a day. Never ever thinking there was danger in the water they were drinking, they just guzzled it down. Never dreaming that a scheming sheriff and his posse was a-watching them and gathering around. Robin Hood and Little John running through the forest, jumping fences, dodging trees and trying to get away. Contemplating nothing but escape and finally making it. Oodle-lolly, golly, what a day. Oodle-lolly, golly, what a day.